All right, the last step for our customized sales path for your team project is the Kanban view. So let's go and see what the Kanban view is all about. So to see the Kanban view, I'm going to go and dive into our playground. So go to your sales app here and then go to the opportunities tab and change the list to all opportunities, which is this. So this is a list of table, right? All the opportunities we have right now on our Trailhead playground. Now we want to see it differently with a different view. To switch to Kanban, you click on this view and change to Kanban. So Kanban view. Now, this is what it looks like. We have opportunities categorized by however you want to categorize it. So this is uncategorized. This is B2B opportunities. This is what? The record types, right? So let's go and see what we want to do here. So we have done that. So now click the list view control. Select fields to display. So we want to show opportunity name, amount, expected revenue, and full name. Go back here, and if I click on over here, fields to display, opportunity name, account name, what else? Account, no, we don't want account name. Amount, expected revenue. So I'm going to take out this, and then we want expected revenue on here, put it after amount, and then we want owner full name. So we don't want this. I'm going to take this out. Owner full name, which is O here. Owner full name. Bring it to the right. Save. So this is what's being displayed here. Okay. So the opportunity name, the amount, and then the expected revenue, and the owner full name. So next, let's see what we want to do. Add a filter. So you can filter to view only certain opportunities. So we want to filter the probability is greater or equal 20%. All right. So go back here. And let's filter this out. This is the filter icon. And I'm going to change not amount but probability. Here is greater or equal this one then 20%. Oops, 20%. Done. Save that. There we have it. So this is showing all the opportunities with probability greater or equal than 20%, and it's separated by the record types, B2B opportunities, or the uncategorized record types. That's pretty much it. Oh no, not yet. Let's add a chart. You can add a chart and see things better. So we want to do a pipeline by stage and then vertical bar chart. So I'm going to hit the chart here, pipeline by stage, and then vertical. I don't want that one. I want to change the chart here, vertical bar chart there. So we have $54 million close won. Look at that. All right, moving on. So we can move an opportunity here. We can hide the chart first. So basically, United Oil plant changed from need analysis to value proposition. So if I take out the chart, United Oil plant, where are you? I'm going to search it. United Oil plant, standby generators, is it? Yes. From needs analysis to value proposition stage. Okay. So this is not right. We have to change this. This is not by stage yet. So I'm going to change my Kanban settings. Okay, I'm going to click here, not there. I'm going to click here, Kanban settings. I want to change that group by stage. Now if I go search United Standby something, this one, yeah. So I'm going to drag this. You can drag this over to value proposition. Boom, and you're done. So you can drag opportunities or any record from any objects if you use Kanban views to move them between whatever Kanban settings you have this as the category columns. All right. Whoops, click the wrong thing there. Okay, basically we are done. That's it. So let's take the points and we are done with this project. Get some badge here. Oh, we couldn't find the expected field to display the opportunity list view named My Opportunities. Oh, we were supposed to play that on the My Opportunities, not the All Opportunities. Uh-oh, let's go back here and fix that. So I'm going to change this to My Opportunities. I should have paid attention there. And then do the same thing. So first, let's do it again. We're going to do the Kanban view. Okay, Kanban. And then add the filter, probability is greater than, or equal 20%, right? And save. Now I'm going to add a chart by stage, but then change this to a vertical bar chart. Close one, which is awesome. Now we are going to drag the what is it called again? United Oil Plant. United Oil Plant. So okay, we've done that. It's already there, right? So we're good to go. So this is my opportunities, and I am going to now check and verify. Woohoo! You've got a shiny new badge and a confetti. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.